When you choose to have your roof replaced with RCV Roofing and seamless gutters, you are in some of the best professional and skilled hands in Southern Indiana. We value your home and property, and in this video, we are going to explain the process of completing your shingle roof replacement. Once you have signed your agreement, you will be placed on a schedule for a specific week or a date you have chosen. Due to frequent changes in weather, it is hard to schedule a specific day, as it may rain. We watch the weather regularly to look at rain chances and temperatures. If you have a satellite or antenna on your roof, please let us know what you'd like to do with it, either throw it away or remount it. Please note that when we remount your satellite, you may not get a signal as it is very sensitive. Please call your service provider to schedule a recalibration for the day after the roof installation. We do not cover this charge. The day before your roof replacement, we will call you to make sure there's no last-minute issues or changes that will require us to reschedule your roof install. We will confirm with you that your roof is ready for work. Before our crew comes out, we ask that you have all your valuables moved away from the roof line, such as landscaping decor and lights. Please plan ahead to have your vehicles that you will need for the day out of the garage and driveway so that we can use the space for the dump trailer and materials. We don't want to block you in. Upon arrival, our crew will begin laying down tarps around the property so that we can better protect your home and landscaping. Keep in mind that some plants close to the house may be subject to some wear and tear. The materials will often arrive the same day as the crew. We will begin doing the tear-off. We do not do layover installs, as we want to inspect the decking for rot. Crew members will tear off the shingles down to the decking of the roof, removing all old materials. After this, the roof decking will be inspected, and any decking of poor quality will be replaced. Your roof replacement with RCV Roofing covers 2 sheets of decking. If you have chosen to add attic insulation with your roof replacement, it will be installed at this stage. To install insulation, we remove a sheet of decking and climb into the attic space to install the insulation material that you have chosen in consultation with our roof experts. The next step is to install the drip edge on your gutter line. The drip edge will be installed into your gutter. A proper drip edge size is an important aspect of a proper roof system. A short drip edge will lead to future wood rot. This is a process that many roofing companies will skip or not do properly, which significantly increases the chances of decking and fascia rot. To further protect your home, we install ice and water shield on all eaves on top of the drip edge, valleys, wall lines, and roof penetrations. Ice and water shield is a self-adhering underlayment that helps prevent ice and water from infiltrating the shingle joints of your roof and to seal around nail heads in this area. The next stage of your roof install is installing synthetic felt to the rest of the roofing surface. This felt is a backup layer beneath your shingles to keep the water out of your attic space and off the decking of the roof. We secure the synthetic felt with cap nails. Cap nails will help prevent any water getting in by the nail penetration. We will then install the remaining drip edge over the felt on the rakes. This process will help maximize the life of your roof and your fascia. Your roof is now ready for shingles. We will install your starter shingles on the entire perimeter of your home. These shingles will begin the anchor process of installing the rest of the shingles across the roof. We will then begin installing the shingles in the color and type you have selected for your home. We will install the shingles to manufacturer specifications, including 6 nails per shingle. As we go, we will replace any flashing that is needed. When we get up to the ridge, our crew will install a shingle over ridge vent. This is a very important part of your roof that allows damp air to escape from your attic space. A properly installed ridge vent maximizes the life of your roof and improves your home's energy efficiency. Hip and ridge shingles come after this step. These shingles will add protection, depth, and design of your roof and give it a stylish and functional look that you can enjoy into the future. At this point, we begin on the finishing touches. We seal all exposed nail heads on plumbing boots or last hip and ridge cap shingles. We begin our cleanup and will do a magnet sweep to pick up nails on the ground. The next business day, our experts will return and perform our RCV quality control inspection. During this inspection, we will pick up any remaining material, inspect the roof for anything the crew may have missed, and do one more magnet sweep for loose nails. Please understand that there were thousands of nails that were torn off the roof, and it is impossible to get all of them, so you may find a few afterwards. After the work is fully complete, we will send you an invoice for the work completed, including if your roof required more than 2 sheets of decking. If you're also having gutters installed, this will be scheduled soon after your roof is complete. We invoice separately per trade. After full payment, you will receive your roofing warranty packet and lien waiver. After all that, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your expertly installed roof from RCV Roofing and Seamless Gutters. Thank you in advance for your business.